Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic of our discussion is chemistry, the basic definitions of chemistry. So chemistry is defined as the branch of science that is concerned with the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties and reactions, and the use of such reactions to form new substances. So if we move on towards not a very bookish definition but a simple and easy one, so chemistry is defined as the study of matter, its properties, how and why substances combine or separate to form other substances, and how substances interact with energy. So before discussing the definition of chemistry, let us basically discuss that what is matter. Because the subject chemistry revolves all around this topic matter. So we should understand this topic first. So what basically is matter? Matter is anything that has a mass and occupies some space. It may be at the microscopic level, mean it can be visible. It cannot be visible to our naked eye, and it can be at the macroscopic level. For example, it can be visible to our eyes. So all matter is composed of discrete and tiny particles known as the atoms. So it means that atoms are the building blocks of matters. So the study of the matters which are present not only in this earth but in the far galaxy, in the whole universe, the study of these matters is known as chemistry. How these matters are transformed from one form to another, how they disintegrate, they degrade, or they result in the formation of new substances or new matters, how two matters combine to form a new one, or how two matters they interact with one another, and all these processes are studied under the topic chemistry. Similarly, the relationship of matter with energy, how matter is affected by any kind of energy. For example, when we have, suppose, ice blocks or ice cubes, and we apply heat on it. So heat is a form of energy. So what is gonna be the effect on that matter because of the application of that energy, that all those things are studied under the topic chemistry. So let us move towards the branches of chemistry. There are various branches of chemistry, for example, organic, inorganic, environmental, industrial chemistry, but basically there are 5 branches of chemistry. They are also known as the subdivisions of chemistry. Number 1, the organic chemistry. All those compounds which contain carbon are studied under this branch. However, we have an exception of 4 types of carbon containing compounds. Number 1, the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the carbonates, and the bicarbonates. They are studied under the topic inorganic chemistry. Then we have the inorganic chemistry. As the name indicates, all those compounds which do not contain carbon in their structure, they are known as they are studied under inorganic chemistry. Then we have the physical chemistry. In this branch of chemistry, all the laws of physics are applied. They are used to study matter, the effect of different forms of things or different forms of energies, etc., on matter, the movement of matter, how it moves, how it is converted into one form and another. It involves all the physical laws and theories which can describe the behavior of a matter. And then we have the analytical chemistry. It deals with the analysis and the analytics, the statics. Okay, so this analysis of various compounds or matter is known all these things come under the branch analytical chemistry. Then we have the biochemistry. Bio means life, so study of organisms with respect to chemistry is referred to as biochemistry. Here we have a pictorial description of all the branches of chemistry. In organic chemistry, it is NaCl, which is also known as the common salt. In biochemistry, we have the structure of the DNA. In organic chemistry, we have a molecule or carbon-containing compound. You can see the carbon CH3, the benzene ring, the OH groups, etc. And then in the analytical chemistry, it represents titration, which is basically a type of analysis, a chemical analysis. And then physical chemistry, it represents the structure of an atom, the movement of electrons around the atom, around the nucleus.